to 360. As you can see, right in the middle and just below eye line, so that's alright, doesn't get in the way. And if I stand here and take that down in a straight line, it's behind the wheel, so that's good. And as you can see, connected via a ram mount to a ram claw, it's a bit big, down to this mount here, and you'll see there's a cable that carries on through and goes across to the power outlet. Let's turn it on, and as it lights up and I go around, you can see a little LED is on which says it's charging, so that's good. Yes, and of course we can get all manner of shots from that, but I've identified another space here, and this is a clip-on mount. Let me show you. So yes, it's a clip-on, and there's the clip here which just undoes and off it comes, just like that, and then clips back on. There's a hex socket here which allows you to tighten it up, so the idea is that you shove it on slack, tighten the hex socket up, and then that's it, it'll fit there and should then hopefully give me another shot, which I ought to be able to, if I get this in the right place, ought to be able to see the feet and all kinds of views. So yes, two new mounts. Let's see how they work out, shall we? So the camera's there. Let's jump up on the bike and see how it looks, shall we? It's on the centre stand, this ought to be fun. Way aye, made it, no bother. So that'll be the look. Obviously I'll have a helmet on and gloves and everything else, but this is what you'll be able to see, which isn't bad really, I don't think. It'll zoom around and it's not in my way. It could come down a little bit if I wanted it to, but that's not in my way. That's alright, I can see where I'm going, and yeah, it's just slightly over centre. Might bring it down a bit, we'll see. Let's have a look and see what happens if I put it down there, shall we? Right in the boot. Oof, yeah. Try picking your glove up, David. Jump on the bike and let's see what we see from there. There we are. We'll actually see a shift. The breakage, you'll see brakes. Yes. At least I think it will. That should be alright. It'll look up as well. See brakes up here. Let's see what's going on in front. All good. What's not to like? Hotty cookie.